you want to eat bilo, and one of its ingredients is quinoa with coconut. Come, let's make this handle. Just cut it in the middle so the blade Grater scraper will enter soon. And this is can bundle on the pineapple and just cutting it. And here my materials is 1/2 inch and 12 inches, and now I'm shaping it. And I prefer 3 blades only, guys. Grater scraper, I'm only making 3 instead of 5 or 6 or 7, whatever you want. And it's almost done, and there is it. And let's shape the handle with a circular so the clamp will enter to handle the blade. So keep shaping it with a sharpener and install it. And later we're going to eat Bilo. And now I'm inserting it and going to secure it later, so it won't move when we're about to use. Okay, you'll be needing a flat screwdriver to tighten it. And that's all. Time to test, guys. Here is the quality. And later we're going to cook the Bilo, and one of its ingredients is this, a young coconut. If you like this video, guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be updated to my next video tutorial. Alaing agaramid kakabsat.
Sorry, it's DJ.
Dari lang po gumawa. It's very easy to make as long as you have materials. If you have stainless steel, much better. Okay, let's taste it. And wow, it's yummy. Thanks for watching. Until then.